Hey everybody, so I picked up some oil from Walmart and a couple little updates, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so I picked up some oil from Walmart. I got 12 quarts of oil. Was $51.76. So I got two 5 quart jugs and two 1 quart jugs. Get them out of the bag. There's the two 5 quarts are in the back, and the two 1 quarts I'm gonna put over here to the side. It's Castrol GTX high mileage 10W40. 10W40 is not easy to find anymore for whatever reason. I put 10W40 in my 4Runner. It takes 1030, but I always put a little bit thicker oil in it because it's creeping up there on mileage. So this is what cost me 51 bucks. So it's 5 quarts, and 2 singles. It's 12 quarts. It's not a bad deal. These used to be $25 for a 5 quart, and now they're $18.92 a piece, and these are only $4.78 for a 1 quart container, which is not bad. I have Mobile 1 in the truck right now, full synthetic, but since I put the Mobile 1 in it, I'm getting oil leaks. There's oil leaking out of the oil cap. There's oil leaking out of the valve covers on both banks. So I'm not having very good luck with the Mobile 1. Extended performance is what I put in it. I've had the GTX high mileage in that truck before. Never had any issues with it. I ended up topping the Mobile 1 extended performance off with GTX. Oh, what is it called? I think it was GTX high mileage, or I think it was just Castrol high mileage, if I remember correctly. Hold on. Okay, what I topped it off with was Castrol Edge high mileage 10W40. I lost 2 quarts specifically after I put that Mobile 1 in my truck. It wasn't like in one day. In a 5 or 6 month period, I lost 2 quarts. So I put 2 quarts of this on top of the Mobile 1 till I can get a filter, because there's no possible way to pick up a filter right now because I always get the K&N filters. Also, since I have you guys on camera, and so I cleaned up, you see this room with the light, which is actually the original garage. Previous owner put a wall up and a window, but I removed the old carpet because of all the flooding that we've had. A lot of flooding, a lot of problems. My dog had surgery, so I had to leave her in the house. She ended up peeing on it. Kind of need to clean up the cans and the soda and this stuff right here, but so this is the original floor, and this room echoes. It echoes really bad, but it didn't echo when the carpet was installed. But so this does not look like tile. It actually looks like it was a giant roll that somebody rolled it out, because there's no physical lines where you would see grouting for tile. So I don't think this is tile. If anybody knows what this is, please let me know. But it looks like one whole piece, and a while back I had cut out the carpet right here because there was a flooding issue and that section of the carpet got ruined. And I ended up cutting some of this tile, or whatever it is, type of linoleum or something. I had to scrape all the foam, and you know, you can see the glue lines. You might be able to see the glue lines, I don't know. Yeah, you can kind of see some of the glue lines. But I took all the carpet out. I did not even know that there was something under the carpet. I just thought it was carpet on concrete. It wasn't. There was this. The rooms, you know, not necessarily any different. You know, the shelf is still over there. The couch, the chair, you know, the cat box. But, so that's just an update on that. I didn't remove the carpet for the step right here because, you know, it's already damaged anyways and the cats can scratch it. You know, I've got a couple cats in the house. And then I also removed it because there was carpet running up this, and there was a little brass little bar right here. I removed that, so I didn't finish scraping this because it took me several hours, me and my wife, to do it. But you know, it is what it is. I did go and get some items. I just didn't do a video on them. I went and bought this LED bulb right here. It's one of those T6.5 bulbs with an intermediate base, and it's, I don't know, it's about five or so inches long. It's a T6 base round. It's got those long cobs inside of it. I picked that up, and I picked up some super glue. The super glue I picked up was actually because I went and bought the cheap matting from Harbor Freight. This cheap matting right here, and I glued this matting to this Vulcan cart. So. And yeah, you might be able to see the glue now. There's the glue right there. It's got it in every 3-foot sections, but so the room does echo now because the carpet, I think, was dampening it, but you know, it's a typical garage. It echoes. I'm kind of thinking about putting the garage door back up, taking that wall back down and putting the garage door back up, because that's what it was originally. But, you know, who knows? You know, I might, I don't know. I picked up this bottle of clear Gorilla Glue, bonds virtually everything. Wood, stone, metal, ceramic, foam, glass, and more. This one says damp it, glue it, clamp it. And then I picked up this construction adhesive as well. I haven't opened that one yet. And I picked up 2 bottles of this DAP Rapid Fuse. I love this super glue. I've had this, you know, if you know anything about super glue, you've had issues with it before. Most super glues, you open them, you can reseal them, they'll harden inside the container. This super glue I actually put in the fridge. Right here. I've had no luck with putting Gorilla Glue, super glue in the fridge, the blue bottle or the blue label. It hardens for whatever reason, but when you put DAP Rapid Fuse in the fridge, it actually stays pliable. So I always leave a bottle in the fridge if I have the bottle open. I think that was like, I bought 2 bottles. They were like $5 and something cents. I had 1 bottle. I opened the second one of the bottles I bought, it took basically almost 80% of the bottle I bought plus the 10% or whatever of the bottle I had that I emptied to finish that, put the matting down. I didn't do any videos on what I picked up at Harbor Freight because all I picked up at Harbor Freight was these mats. I picked up 3 of the drawer liners, 18 by 72 non-slips, and I picked up 3 of the 16 by 22 non-slips. I used the entire roll of the 18 by 72. So those are just some little updates. I'm not going to record videos on those items. It's just going to be in this video. But yeah, there's a few items I picked up. I appreciate you guys watching. I might do another video on the stereo, the Tough System 2.0. Haven't had any issues with it. There's actually a battery in it right now. Got some tools coming from Acme Tools. I'll probably do a kind of a you know, let me know what your guesses are video, and then we'll unbox it. But yeah, those some of the things I picked up in the last few weeks. The light just turned off. Nothing major. But I'll keep you guys updated. Gotta get all of this floor cleaned up and everything. Kind of just been lazy because I spent an entire day doing the carpet, removing it, and then I had to pull the carpet tacks up and all the nails out of the concrete and all that, and you know, I had a few vehicles to fix, so it's just been a pretty busy week. Hopefully everybody's staying safe. Hopefully I'll get my oil filter and I'll do another oil change on the 4Runner, and we'll go from there. Appreciate you guys watching. Appreciate your time. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.